go the other side. People see vehicles. Maybe.
Excuse me, Afande. I'm by name Sempija Dani Omukunjata Sera, the General Secretary, woman. Mr. Jeff, the one who was appointed to lead in the election process of the musicians, told us that today, 28, we must be here and we take over our positions, our seats. So, as the General Secretary, I have worked very smart, even more than you, to take over my seat. I am not fighting any Afande because I'm a musician. Afandis are not musicians. They don't know the problems that we go through as the musicians. So, let me see no any Afande interfering in the issues of musicians.
Vandalize people's vehicles?
No, we have no problem with the vehicle.
Then go the other side. I will not stop you.
Where do you want us? Because this is a national theater.
Within the vehicles,
Whenever we come here, they give us the musicians.
With the due respect.
Yes.
I'm safeguarding people's vehicles.
No, we are not going to steal any vehicle there. For us, we have our vehicles.
You are doing wrong thing.
No, we can't steal any vehicle.
I'm going.
No,
I'm going.
I want you to be anywhere to
see. Tugenda bamalira obudde bino tewali eno si business. Laba no. Leto mwana ayimbayo vasi ajiwulire bwenyuma. Tugenda bamalira obudde tuzane family yaffe. Tugenda kumala obudde.
Because I'm here for people's vehicles. I'm not to stop your activity.
No way. Are you getting me? What's the next plan? I'm seeing many officers here. What are you doing here, guys?
I'm protecting people's vehicles.
Which vehicles? We are not stealers. This is my vehicle. You are keeping mine. Officer avudde ku mulimu kokuma motoka. Baba lese kumama motoka. Katuka fulumye fe tudde. Mwayo cha. Ate nga minisita huyo agambye bakuuma mamotoka tebakyakuuma bayimbi ate jeno akuuma saa jangolayire bw'olaba ani aliwo sindi yaliwo ani aliwo biwedde ofisa bino biwedde
tokyali maje gakutaka
temutuliza
to protect me, not protecting cars.
Not fighting.
I'm a general. When you're handling a general, I'm like a general. No, I'm a general. I don't want your car. I don't want your vehicle. Here you want, today is the 28th. They told us the 28th we are meant to be here. So where do you want me to pass? Which side? How sure am I that the other side there is something that is not correct? I wanted to pass here. The gate is there.
Big eye.
No. Afande, what you are doing is not right. We are not fighting you. These are issues of musicians. These are issues of musicians.
Go this side like this.
No, listen to me, Afande. What said that your activities should not go on. Please do your activity and we do our job. So simple as that. Yes. No, I'm a general, Afande. Afande, you're chasing away general. Afande, I'm a general. Afande, I'm a calm. Why are you chasing? Afande, why are you doing that?
No one is fighting.
No. Why do you just away the general? Can you listen to the general?
He's not fighting.
Afande, just listen to the general. Afande, you can kill a younger general. Why are you chasing away general?
Don't be like that, Afande.
Why are you chasing
education?
Why
behave like that? Why behave like that?
Don't behave like
Hello, wewe. Wacha. Afande yote.
Watu wale wanaenda kusomeza abiri Mungu.
Wide shot zibazi